Hey everyone, this is Julie with Heard That. We're back at the mobile home. We were going to put a dishwasher there, but the landlord decided that the dishwasher is too much of a liability with leaks and all that kind of stuff, and sometimes they're just a hassle. I know it's convenient for the homeowners, but she didn't want that. She wanted us to build some shelves, so that's what Tristan is doing. He's finishing up putting the shelves together, and then we'll come back and paint it and everything. I don't know what that shelf could be used for. I guess she can put some little knickknacks in there, or
probably food.
Some what?
Like
some food?
Yeah, like a little mini pantry. You put like cereal and stuff in here.
Yeah, but it will show.
Like granola bars and stuff like that.
I guess you could decorate it, but that's out in the open because it doesn't have any cabinet doors on it. So
I mean, you could always put like a little, what was I saying earlier?
Little curtains.
Yeah, a little curtain right here.
Yeah, little curtains would be cute.
Well, they decorate it.
Yeah, so I mean, she does have some cabinets. It's not like she's don't have any cabinets. She does have some cabinets, and she has drawers and stuff, but you can never have too many cabinets. So like Tristan said, maybe just, some box stuff or canned goods. I don't know. Y'all leave in the comments what y'all think, but I like his curtain idea because that would be sort of like a farmhouse. So it would be cute. I think I'm going to paint it white, but then again, everything's blue. I don't know. So I had to come in here and think about it, but my thoughts right now would be white, unless I did white on the back and the sides and then the shelves blue. I don't know. Tristan, what color do you think you would do it? All white? Now looking at it?
Well, I mean, it's part of this, so I'd probably do it blue.
Do everything blue?
Yeah, because everything else is blue down here, and it's white.
White up there.
So I'd probably do it blue so it doesn't stick out.
Do blue. Yeah. Now that you said that and I'm looking at it, I think blue.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. Yeah. So that countertop that I did, I'll show you that, how it turned out. Remember, I was trying to do some kind of a rustic. So this is what we did here. I'm thinking I would probably just do a plain white. I don't know. I just don't know. But the towel and everything came out good. The bathtub came out good. So
Are you done? You're gonna be picking my nose on
No. Maybe now. They'll hear that.
Well, any other woodworkers who work without a mask would know. I'm not cooking boogers.
It's
I'm
the sawdust.
picking wood shavings. Out of my nose 24/7.
At least you don't have a butt crack showing.
I'm not a plumber.
Yeah, you're not a plumber.
Cameron got his butt crack showing all the time.
He did?
All the time. Can't take him nowhere.
But let me know your thoughts and what y'all think about that. But I think it looks good. But I think I decided for sure on blue. I was thinking white, but nah. I like the blue. Did you use those whiteboards?
Uh-huh.
Is that what's on top?
Yeah.
Can't see.
A little paint real easy.
Tristan's just caulking everything now.
They're already primed. That's why they're white.
Yeah.
So it'll be really easy to paint.
But yeah, I'll pan out here a little bit so you can see. So if all this is blue down here, I think that would look better. Because I was going to do like blue and then the shelves white. But nah, I don't think we'll do that. So leave a comment, please. Please like and subscribe on your thoughts about that. And let me know about that countertop. I think I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, we've already have it leased out. They move in December 1st, so I just want it to look nice when they move in because it's a young couple and they're excited. So I'm just trying to get everything ready for them. But for the most part, everything looks good. If y'all watch my videos before, you can see what this looked like before. It was horrible. Tristan and James painted the back, did some woodwork, and then the team came in and painted everything. It smelled like cat urine. It was horrible, but we did redid the showers in the bathroom area. That was just like a plastic wall. So we redid that. Got a new vanity put in here. New commodes. Just freshened, got a light up there. Just freshened everything up. Put some new switch covers on here. Cleaned everything. So there's a few little items like this that needs to be replaced. I guess a smoke alarm. Huh? Okay, so please like and subscribe. Thanks, y'all. Bye. Okay, it's a wrap. That's all done. We just have to paint it, and I'll show you the pictures after I paint it, but please like and subscribe. Remember to leave a comment and go over to my other channel if you will, please. Blind Date. And to find it, it's hard because it's a new channel. You'd have to put in Blind Date and then like feeders, and it'll take you over there. And that's where I do a lot of my video of wild animals that comes to my feeder and stuff. So it's a lot of fun. So go over there and please subscribe to me. That's Blind Date. And you're going to have to put in the search like Blind Date feeders, and it will bring you to my page. All right, y'all. Thanks again. Thanks, everyone. Bye.